This is the C6 motorcycle CarPlay system from AOOCCI, and it is a game changer. Now, whether we like it or not, the fact is that in today's world, connectivity is one of the most important things, right? And motorcycles have a distinct disadvantage when it comes to connectivity because in general, we have to have both of our hands on the handlebars in order to control the machine. The best we can hope for is we get stopped at a light and we know we're gonna be there for a while. You pull out your phone, you check, do you have any messages, any emails or whatever, and hopefully you can get your phone back in your pocket before the light turns green. But the C6 fixes that problem for us through the use of the CarPlay system. The C6 is an all-in-one system that replaces 3 or 4 of the things you probably already have mounted on your motorcycle. It is a true, complete CarPlay system, as well as a 1080p digital video recording with both front and rear cameras that use GPS data logging. It also has a tire pressure monitoring system, and for a couple of extra bucks, you can even have your own personal logo installed on the startup screen. But we'll get into more of that here in a little bit. First, let's talk about the CarPlay system. So what is CarPlay? CarPlay, if you're familiar with it, it's already in many different autos, cars and trucks and stuff like that. And what it is basically it allows you to use all the functions or most of the functions of your cell phone without having to actually use your cell phone, right? A lot of it is voice activated. You can make calls, take calls, send texts, listen to text. You don't have to be on your phone as much, right? And that's what this gives us as motorcycle riders. The system is wireless and connects to both your iPhone and Android, whatever that is, very easily, and it gives you the ability to stay connected while riding and still be safe out on the road, which is a really fantastic feature of this system. So as you can see with the CarPlay setup, this is basically a mirror of your phone, but you have your maps, you can navigate, you can listen to music, podcasts, and audiobooks with your favorite app. You can see your phone calls and even place phone calls and reply to them by voice command. So basically what you're doing is you're allowing yourself to stay connected without having to use your phone and without having to try to type on a small little screen. The video recorder, and you have front and rear split screen, rear and front split screen, front and rear that you can choose from on the remote here. You can also go back and forth between your video recording and your CarPlay screen with the touch of a button. Now, one really great function about the video recording is that it uses GPS data logging and puts a timestamp over the video with the date, the time, the location, and the speed, all right? So the video records in a 1, 3, or 5 minute loop that you can choose how long you want those loops to be, but it basically makes it for easy indexing. When you want to pull up the video, you just look for the time frame that you're after. It has a T for the, it has an F for the front and an R from the rear after the number of the file. And it makes it very easy to find the footage that you're looking for. It also has a system to where if you crash, it has a G-force sensor. If you crash, the video that's being recorded at that point will be locked so that it can't accidentally be deleted. And one of the great things about the way this is data logged is if, God forbid, you're in an accident and you need to use that footage with the insurance company to ensure that you get the settlement that you're probably entitled to, you have the evidence right there at your fingertips. With the tire pressure monitoring system, it just comes with two little transmitters that you screw onto your valve stems. You can see here it has low alarm at 21, high alarm at 43. I haven't really set them yet, but you can set the alarms for your tire pressure sending unit to let you know when you've gone outside of the parameters that you've set. You can use it in pounds per square inch or millibars. It also has temperature, Fahrenheit, and Celsius. And then you can also replay all of the clips that you've been recording. So I've been using the C6 for about 2 weeks now, and man, I absolutely love it. You know, when I have a truck that has a CarPlay in it, and when I bought the truck, I was like, man, I will never use this thing. I don't need it. I don't like all this modern technology stuff, right? And now I can't live without it. I mean, just how it is. It's kind of becoming the same thing with the bike here. But it's just such a great way to be able to, if I need to make a phone call, or if I get a text that I want to read, but I don't want to go thumbing through, you know, on my phone, it's all right there at my fingertips, okay? So in the packaging, you get these, you get two 1080p cameras for the front and the rear, and everything you need to install the system. I have it mounted on the handlebar here. They have an adapter. You can mount it to your brake fluid reservoir, or you can mount it here to the rear view mirror perch, just about anywhere you like. And it was so simple to install. I do have a unboxing and an installation video out there if you'd like to check that out. I installed, they give you, so in the kit there are 4 tools: a little screwdriver, a little Torx L handle, a small Allen key L handle, and a little spanner, or a little hex wrench. And I installed the whole kit with just the tools that were included. It took me about, I don't know, man, 20 minutes. And it was so simple, and it works so well. I was so impressed with it. It's a great system. And I just can't say enough about how well made and how well thought out the system is, and how well it works while riding. Okay, so now that I've gone over all that, let's hop on the bike and go for a ride, and I'll show you some of the functions of the C6 motorcycle CarPlay system and how well it works. And yeah, let's go check it out. Okay, so like I had said earlier, excuse me, one of the cool functions of the C6 that they can put your logo on the startup screen, as you can see here. That's just kind of a neat little thing that they do for you. I just thought it was really awesome. Okay, so when you fire up the system, once you have connected your phone the first time, just like everything else, it takes a few seconds for the CarPlay to connect with the system here. So this is, you know, when you first start it, if you just try to go right away, you're going to get this. But it'll take a second, and then boom, here we have it, okay? I'm going to turn on my microphone, or my helmet comms. And I haven't figured out how to make my helmet comms come across the video just yet, so unfortunately you'll just have to take my word that I am talking to my CarPlay. All right, so I'm going to go to here, and I'm just going to click on the Siri portion. Performance cycles.
The performance cycle of Colorado.
And boom, it's up there. Now you can see, and you can see how you could easily do this while you're riding even. So let's go ahead and take off. And we'll just kind of go through some of the functions. The first thing is the screen is really visible. You can see it in all light conditions. I have not had an issue. I have not had a situation yet where I couldn't see the screen. And of course, also in my ear, on my comm system on the helmet here, it is also telling me, you know, upcoming turns and stuff like that, right? So with messages, if I had a new message here, which I don't, I would just click on it and it would read to me the message, and then it would ask me if I want to reply. If I say yes, it'll ask me what do I want to say. I say it, and when I'm done, it'll ask me if I want to send it. I say yes, and it sends. I never had to take my hands off the handlebars. Now also, if I wanted to send a text, I would just type on the person that I want to text. Now I hit the send button, but I could have just said send as well. So you can also do the Ask Siri to play music. So play music by the Beatles. And there you have the Beatles. I'm not sure how well you can see it on the screen here, but there's a little white dot here, and if you push that white dot, it gives you this screen where I can go back to the home, and I'll click on the driving recording. So right now you can see, hopefully, that my rear camera is what's being displayed. So on the remote here, I can just click the camera button. Now I've got side by side of the front and rear, and that just flips it, and this is the front camera. Now you can see up here it says 2:09 2:10, so it's been recording for 2 minutes. I think I have it set for a 3-minute loop, so after 3 minutes it will log that file and start a new recording. Now the system starts recording as soon as you start it up, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to start your recording, right? Which is really a cool thing. Now you can stop the recording. You know, one of the things about filming with a GoPro camera is that when you say something like stop the recording, it stops the recording. So that's all the footage I have for the remainder of the road test, but I think we have enough footage that you got the gist. And that is that I love the C6 motorcycle CarPlay system from AOOCCI. I think it is fantastic, and I highly recommend it to anybody else who is thinking about getting something like a CarPlay system for their motorcycle. So that being said, let's get back to the video. Well guys, I hope you got something out of the video. If you are interested in the C6 motorcycle CarPlay system, you can either click on the link in the description below or go to the website and at checkout, type in upshifting ADV all caps and get 22% off of your purchase. I promise you, you are gonna love this system. It is really, I'm not just saying it, it is a great system, and it's such a huge help to have on the bike. I also have made a unboxing video and a installation video, so check those out if you're interested in those. I think that there's a lot of great information in there, okay? Thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, please give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I put out any new content. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you out on the trails. Good night.